What happens to your body if you eat 2 bananas every day for a month? You won't believe the benefits this simple fruit can give you. Many people probably eat bananas every day, but they don't realize they are changing their lives. Stay tuned until the end to find out all the science-backed details. Before proceeding, please subscribe for those who are new here as a substitute for coffee so that we may be more enthusiastic about delivering additional interesting health material. The vital nutrients included in bananas help your body immensely. Bananas are rich in dietary fiber, magnesium, potassium, and vitamins B6 and C. Combining your vitamin D dosage with a banana will make vitamin D more absorbed and active. According to a review published in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association, it is necessary to eat the required amount of magnesium to gain the maximum advantages of vitamin D. Magnesium, once in the bloodstream, aids in the body's vitamin D activation. Not only are they extremely convenient as a snack, but they also provide numerous health benefits when consumed on a daily basis. However, due to their high carbohydrate content, bananas may raise blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes, and it may be more beneficial to pair a banana with a protein and fat-rich item, such as Greek yogurt. Eating 1 banana per day provides 12% of the daily value for vitamin C. 1 banana provides 10% of the recommended daily potassium intake. Magnesium has a daily value of 8%. Let's discuss the top 7 changes that will happen to your body if you commit to eating 2 bananas a day for 30 days. Number 1, improved heart health. One of the first advantages you'll notice is a boost in your heart health. Bananas are high in potassium, which is essential for maintaining normal blood pressure levels. According to studies, potassium helps control sodium levels in the body, which reduces strain on the cardiovascular system. In fact, the American Heart Association found that boosting potassium intake can help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that potassium-rich diets are associated with a 24% decreased risk of stroke in persons with good blood pressure. Eating 2 bananas every day may help you fulfill the necessary 2,500 milligrams of potassium intake, which promotes improved cardiovascular health. Number 2, enhanced digestive health. Next, your digestive system will reward you. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fibers. This mixture helps enhance bowel motions and keeps your colon healthy. Soluble fiber slows digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more effectively, but insoluble fiber helps avoid constipation. According to Nutrition Bulletin, the pectin in bananas helps control gut motility, which promotes digestion and gut health. Bananas also include prebiotics, which help feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to a healthy microbiome. Number 3, better energy levels. Are you continuously looking for ways to enhance your energy naturally? Bananas are a wonderful source of a rapid, natural energy booster. They include a healthy combination of carbs, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which is good for providing immediate and sustained energy. That's why athletes often eat bananas before or after a workout. If you're feeling lethargic in the afternoon, try a banana instead of coffee. You'll most certainly notice an improvement in your general energy levels after eating 2 bananas every day for a month without the crash that occurs with sugary foods or drinks. A study published in the journal PLOS One discovered that eating bananas before exercise was just as efficient as drinking sports drinks for energy. So whether you're hitting the gym or working a long day, eating 2 bananas per day can help you stay energized. Number 4, improved mood and decreased stress. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in bananas, is turned by your body into serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Serotonin can even lessen depressive symptoms and help raise mood. Furthermore, vitamin B6 is vital for brain function and the synthesis of neurotransmitters. It is found in bananas. Eating 2 bananas a day can boost your brain clarity and possibly improve memory over time. While vitamin B6 has been demonstrated to occasionally relieve symptoms of depression, research in psychotherapy and psychosomatics emphasizes that enough magnesium intake can assist in lowering anxiety and tension. Bananas might simply be the mood enhancer nature provides. Number 5, stronger immunity. If you're looking to give your immune system a boost, bananas can totally help with that. They're a fantastic source of vitamin C, which helps your body make white blood cells and boosts your immune system overall. Also, the antioxidants in bananas are great for battling those pesky free radicals. Research from Nutrients shows that vitamin C is super important for keeping your immune system in check. Eating 2 bananas a day gives your body a little extra boost, especially when you mix them with other foods packed with vitamins. Number 6, blood sugar control. With a modest glycemic index, bananas don't generate appreciable blood sugar rises. Actually, bananas are a good choice for maintaining your blood sugar level over the day, since the fiber count helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Research published in the Journal of Functional Foods shows that foods high in fiber, such as bananas, can lower blood sugar rises and increase insulin sensitivity, therefore helping either to control diabetes or to prevent insulin resistance. Number 7, improved muscle function and recovery. If you're into fitness, bananas are a perfect pick for your post-workout recovery. Bananas are rich in potassium, which can prevent muscle cramps, and their carbohydrates are ideal for replenishing your glycogen stores. You'll bounce back quicker and feel less sore after a tough session. Plus, a study from the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that munching on potassium-rich foods like bananas after you work out can really help with muscle soreness and getting your glycogen levels back up. Your daily banana intake should be kept to no more than 2. Due to their high carbohydrate and sugar content, consuming more bananas can lead to weight gain. Eat a well-balanced meal loaded in fresh fruits and vegetables. Select bananas based on their degree of maturity to indicate their relative usefulness. Green, high-resistant starch content, unripe bananas are good for stomach and digestive health. Yellow with brown patches, ripe bananas taste the best and are fit for straight eating. Perfect for baking or smoothie making, overripe bananas have a soft texture, lots of brown spots, and high sugar concentration. After a month of eating 2 bananas a day, you'll notice some cool changes in your body, like improved heart health, better digestion, more energy, a brighter mood, healthier skin, and even some help with weight management. Although simple, bananas provide your body with what it needs and have scientific backing. You may be able to cut back on expensive supplements. Hey, you can totally save some cash. Give this challenge a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and fitness tips. See you next time.